Hello friends, welcome to Informatica tutorial. Today we are going to see how we can do optimization in session of Informatica. So basically session is the location from where data is to be taken, where the transformation are done and where the data is to be loaded. It just specifies the location for all source, transformation and target. And it was various property that help us to schedule and run the jobs as they want. Hmm? So transformation in session. This create a many connection to the source and target and load data in a parallel pipeline. Each pipeline will independent of other, but the performance of a session will not improve if the number of record less. So if the number of record is less, then the partition will not work for you. Also, performance will not be improved if does not update and deletes. So if there is high level of insert only, that time partition will help. So session partition should use only if the volume of data is huge and the job is mainly for insertion of data. Run the session in parallel rather than serial to gain the time if they are independent of each other. So arrange the session in a workflow such that they will work they will run in parallel rather in serial in series. So and make a note that they are independent of each other. Drop constant and indexes before a session run and rebuild them after a session completed. A dropping can be done in a pre-session script. You can use session pre-SQL to drop the indexes, and in post SQL you can rebuild the indexes. But if the data is too much, dropping indexes, then rebuilding them, etc., will not be possible. In that case, stage all data, pre-create the index, and use transportable table space and then load into database. So in that case, use a transportable table space where data file actually move to the database after data loaded. Use bulk loading, external loading, etc. Bulk loading can be used only if the data does not have an index. If the data does not have index, you can use a bulk load option. Using bulk load, the insertion is fast. In session, we have an option treat source row as data driven insert, update and delete. If the update strategy are used, if the update strategy transformation are used, then we have to keep the type as data driven. But when we when the session does only insertion of a rows into target table, it has to keep as insert to improve the performance. Manipulating high precision data type will slow down the Informatica server, so disable high precision if you not required. Localize all source target tables, store procedure, view, and sequence, etc. Try not to use connect across the synonym. Synonym and aliases slow down the performance. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.